Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you remove a YouTube channel from your Google Ads account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink a YouTube channel in your Google Ads account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to sell one of your YouTube channels, so you want to be sure to remove it from your Google Ads account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink a YouTube channel from your Google Ads, here on the left side, you're going to click on Tool. Once you click on Tools, you're going to see another menu, and you want to click on Data Manager. All right, once you click on Data Manager, you're going to see these two options, and you want to click on Connected Products. Once you click on Connected Products, you're going to look for the YouTube logo right here, and off to the right, you want to click on Manage and Link. Okay, so here you're going to see all of the YouTube channels you have linked to your Google Ads. So look for the channel you want to go ahead and remove. So for example, this one, and off to the right, you're going to see this blue unlink button. Go ahead and click that. Okay, next you're going to get this warning. If you unlink this channel, you'll lose permissions, and I'll need to resend a linking request to the channel if I want to use Google Ads with that channel in the future. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click Yes, Unlink. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that channel has been unlinked from my Google Ads. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink a YouTube channel from your Google Ads account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.